Hey guys, wanted to give everybody a quick update on the Obsession FX30 bow, meaning it's 30 inches axle to axle. So I just received the bow yesterday and I didn't really have any time to do anything with it. But I arrived home today from work and I thought, well, let me give it a real quick setup and just kind of see what it's doing on the paper. So I kid you not, I spent 10 minutes or less and I had this thing shooting perfect bullet holes, both with a bare shaft and the fletched. And basically I just kind of eyeballed center shot and put the arrow rest at 90 degrees and then I touched it up just a hair where the D-lip's at, and shot I think 2 or 3 times, made 2 adjustments, and I'm getting bullet holes. So I'll show you that real quick. There's your fletched, and here comes a bare shaft. Let's get over here a little bit. There you go. Go check that out real quick. So there's your fletch shaft, perfect, and there's your bare shaft. Man, I mean, that is sweet. I mean, just give you a better, sorry for all the camera shaking. Check out the bow, check out that camo. These bows are sweet. So yeah, whenever I paper tune, that's just the beginning of how I do my tuning. I'll give it a super tune job after, I don't know, over the next couple of weeks, and I'll do some long range shooting at 100 yards with it, kind of see what kind of grips I'm getting. But I'm very impressed, man. I love it when these bows tune out so fast and so easy, without giving me a big headache. So man, I'm impressed. All right, I'll keep you guys updated.